I'm gonna share with y'all the tea, the truth about this advanced tone and sculpt workout program. I'm gonna share it with y'all. I thought it would be good to share coming into 2021. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad to have you here with me today for another little sit down chat review. I know I've been doing a lot of these, but I've been quarantined, y'all, so yeah, I have been quarantined, so I thought that this would be a great time to review the Tone and Sculpt Advanced program, since I did finish it a couple weeks ago now, actually. I just wanted to share my thoughts about it with you guys. If you're looking for a workout program 2021, I know we're getting started. We're coming in strong, baby. Okay, so here we go into the info. So if you guys have seen any of my fitness vlog or what I eat in a week, then you've probably seen me do a Tone and Sculpt workout. You already know I love it. I love the Tone and Sculpt app. It's super versatile. I just love what it offers. So I kind of want to go into just details to share with you guys, like, about the program and pros and maybe some cons. So I was at the very beginning, you guys, at the very beginning of the year, before gyms like closed down for, you know, quarantine or whatever, I was doing the intermediate program. And so when the gyms opened back up, I think in June, I started on the intermediate, but I was like, you know what, I'm ready to up the ante. So I went to the advanced program. Yeah, the advanced program is 24 weeks. So that's 6 months of workouts, 3 to 5 times a week at home or at the gym, just depending on your preferences, which I think is super cool, you guys, that you can change that just depending on if things are changing. One con though I will say is, though you can change back and forth, it won't change like with your exact place in the program. It'll start the program over again. So I actually recently started the expert program, and I was doing it at the gym, and then I got diagnosed with COVID, got a positive result for that. So then I went to the at-home program, so it started me all over again. Since I'm working at home, to me it's not that big of a deal, but that is something to note. It's not easy to change. Well, it's easy to change, but you'll start the program all over again if you're changing from home to gym, gym to home in the middle of the program. 24 weeks full workouts I did completely in the gym. That was my preference, and even right now, even though I have to stay quarantined, I definitely still prefer to work out at the gym to get the muscle gain that I'm looking for, to get stronger in the way that I'm looking for. It is more beneficial personally for me to be in the gym. And plus it's like that mode of like gym mode, like I miss that so much, having to work out at home. The workouts I have right now are definitely adequate. I'm still sore at every single workout, but I wish I could still go to the gym, because it's just like that me time that I get out of the house. And I don't really have that right now, obviously, because I got the coronavirus. Every 4 weeks on the advanced program, you guys, the workouts switch. So when you're doing 5 days a week, you're gonna have 5 obviously different workouts. You're gonna have push day, pull day, glutes and hamstrings, quads and calves, and then a circuit day. Every 4 weeks, these are going to change, but every week you're gonna have these workouts. So if it's 3 days a week, then it's upper body, lower body, and then full body. Because literally, it'd be at that 3-week mark where I'd be getting sick of the exercise. I'd be like, okay, like, I want to switch it up. I want to try something different. So that 4-week mark was perfect for me to be able to switch it up. I often found myself towards the end of the month looking ahead to see what exercise I have coming up, getting excited to try new things and push my muscles in different kinds of ways. So that was definitely a pro. But I prefer 5 days a week. I really like the isolation of like the glutes and the hamstrings versus the quads and the calves, and then pull day, push day. Like, I don't know, I just like dividing it up, because it's like, since it's divided, like I can go that much harder on those individual days and still have space in between workouts to recover, because I'll be doing upper body or have my rest day or whatever. So before this Tone and Sculpt program, I wasn't like a person who did like push day, pull day, glutes and hamstrings, then quads and calves. But now I love it. Just the way that the workouts are broken up are fantastic, and it really allows you to give you that focus on particular body parts if you want to get them, build them up stronger, you guys. Like I said, the definition I saw in my quads I've never had before, and I actually started not fitting my jeans, and I was like, I had to pull back a little bit, I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't go up in weight as much because I don't want to buy a new wardrobe. I love working out, I love getting strong, but I'm just not in a place right now where I need to replace all 20 pairs of my jeans because of my quads growing so big and strong. I have never seen so much muscle definition, like especially like in my arms, you guys, my back, my quads. Like I've never had the definition in my body that I had when I on this program. And I pushed myself so much, and it actually, like, the versatility in the exercises month to month is amazing. And what a lot of people forget is when you're exercising, you have to switch it up. If you don't switch it up, you're going to plateau. Your body's going to get used to things, and it's not going to progress, I think, in the way that you'd see it. So I like the month time frame is just perfect for you to get strong and really good at this one exercise and then switch it up. Also, you guys, the individual exercises themselves, it's super easy to change each exercise. Like some days, like I'll be honest, some days I didn't feel like doing certain things, or just depending on how I was feeling, I knew that this exercise would be better for my joints. I don't want to say knee issues because I'm not going to diagnose it as that. The first expert program I did 3 days a week in the gym, my knees were just like, it definitely challenged my joints, so I knew that I had to go to 5 days a week. So certain exercises I will switch out because I know my body, I know my limits. Like I've had I had a shoulder injury earlier this year, so certain exercises like pull exercise I couldn't do because it would strain that injury. So you literally have to do, there's like a switch button, it's 2 arrows. I'm going to insert a clip of me switching an exercise, and then it will actually pop up with exercise suggestions that are similar to that one, or will work similar areas, which I think is so cool. So sometimes I wouldn't feel like doing decline diamond push-ups, so I would switch it to regular push-ups or to regular just decline push-ups. So just depending on the day, you guys, that would just vary day to day, me switching it up. But I love the versatility that they have with that on the Tone and Sculpt app. Do I feel like the advanced program was advanced? I do. I wouldn't say I'm the most seasoned in the fitness world or in the fitness industry. I don't really see myself like making my own programs or anything like that, and I can't judge it from a perspective of like a professional, but like just as a person who works out, like I thought it was really advanced. It challenged me every single workout, you guys. I felt challenged. It's like put your money where your mouth is every single workout, and I definitely enjoyed it for that. For the time length of the workouts, you guys, I definitely would say upper body day was definitely a shorter day for me. Normally always maybe around the 45-minute to an hour mark, and then for lower body days it was always like over an hour long of a workout. That personally didn't bother me. That was okay for my schedule, but I just want people to keep that in mind. If they are looking to get a quick workout, they have other options for that on the Tone and Sculpt app. You can just search like 15-minute workouts. I don't know, I've never seen 30-minute workouts, so I don't want to say for sure whether they have those. Let me check because I want to give you guys accurate information. Hold on. So they have tons of different workouts on the Tone and Sculpt app, which I really love. I only see 15-minute workouts. I don't see 30-minute workouts. So if you wanted to double up on 15 minutes, if you only have time for a 30-minute workout, you can do that. But they have target areas, cardio, full body. When you search workouts on your dashboard, you want to add workouts, so I did really like that. The Tone and Sculpt app is super user-friendly, you guys. Literally, the dashboard is really easy to use. You just click the day that you're working out. You can see your workouts. The workouts will automatically populate. You know, once you select your program, you guys, the workouts will automatically populate for you for the duration of that workout program. So for the next 8 weeks, since I'm doing the expert program now, which is 2 months long, it will automatically populate the workouts for me. However, you can switch them within the week, which is often what I would do. I can't remember what, I think I feel like it always started me off on lower body. I prefer to do something I really love on Mondays because it kind of gives me that energy and propels me more to push at the gym for the rest of the week. So I would always opt to switch it to the pool day on Monday. I'd say every single workout, you guys, has a warm up, which I personally really love. Before I started working out more seriously this time around, yeah, this like final time around when gyms opened back up last year, I didn't really understand or grasp the importance of warm-ups, but now I really love warming up. Like I love to warm up my muscles. I love to get the blood pumping. Also for like glutes, you guys, it's so important to warm up your muscles and to do isolation warm-ups because it's going to help to focus on an area that you want to work in. That's important to do before you're working sets and before you're adding a whole bunch of weight, just to get your body warmed up and ready to go. This is going to help prevent injury and to also help with your performance overall when you're working out, which would take me, I'd say, about 10 minutes or so to do the warm-up. So in between each individual set, I'm just looking at something right now, so 3 sets of 12 of rope bicep curls. So in between each of those sets, it has a 1-minute break, and then once I complete those 3 sets, there's a 2-minute break in between each exercise. Which arm day, like I wouldn't always 100% utilize that. Sometimes I would just move to the next exercise if I felt like I could, but on leg day, I would normally always use the full brace, sometimes even more. But I want to stress the importance of resting, especially if you guys are lifting super heavy. I don't even lift super heavy, but I know when I need more of a break, and I will take it if I need to, and I encourage you to do the same because you don't want to injure yourself and you don't want to overdo it. So if you feel like you need a little bit longer of a break or a little bit shorter of a break, listen to your body and just give it what it needs. But everybody is different with that. Also, just about every single one has some kind of finisher, and it varies. It depends. Sometimes it's like sprints. I've seen, sometimes I've done the elliptical or biking. Normally it's always biking, sprints, or like a couple sets of abs, which I think is super cool. I wouldn't always do the running. Sometimes I would do the elliptical instead because I like the elliptical. I prefer the elliptical to running. It's better on your joints. And sometimes I wouldn't do the finisher at all, to be honest. Sometimes I would just be completely done with the day and not wanting to do a daggone thing, and I would head home. Or I would do, there's this cool like stretching machine that they have at the gym that I would do, or I would even get a hydro massage instead of doing the finisher. So that's just a preference thing, you guys, but I did want to mention that. So normally it's like 10 minutes of sprints, so 30 seconds of you sprinting, 30 seconds of you resting until you do 10 minutes. And it's kind of the same with the bike. It'll be 30 seconds biking as hard as you can, and then 30 seconds at rest, which I actually didn't mind, but those seats are so uncomfortable. Even for 10 minutes, every time I got up, I felt like. Also with the Tone and Sculpt app, every single exercise has like KRISSY. I personally do KRISSY's program. I know Danielle has some on there, but I do KRISSY's program because that's just what I like. That's what I've been doing. It has like, it shows you an example of the exercise, how to execute the exercise, and it also has notes. Like I'll probably put up a picture, like if you slide on an exercise, it'll give you like a list of steps of how to perform the exercise, which is super convenient for anything new that I was trying. But honestly, just seeing her do it, like watching her form and things like that, I was normally able to pick up the exercises pretty easily. I'm trying to think of cons. I think the only con would be like if I was ever just really trying to be in and out in a short amount of time, like these workouts would not be that for me. Like this is a workout that you want to make sure that you have a block of time to just spend on yourself to do. This isn't like an in and out. I would opt to find different workouts within the app or just do my own thing if I needed to be, you know, super quick in the gym. Thankfully that my schedule allows me to have more free time, and when I go to the gym, like it is like that time for myself and my body, and I really do enjoy that. I'd be really interested to see what other people think about the program. So if you have tried any of the Tone and Sculpt programs, then just comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion on it. But I actually really loved it, you guys, and I was so excited to move up to expert. But I guess the tea is that there isn't many downsides. Those are my final thoughts, you guys. I really don't have any complaints about the Tone and Sculpt advanced program. Thank you guys so much for your time today. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you support my channel, support this content, and I so appreciate it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to become part of the C Squad because we would be so blessed to have you. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.